Welcome to the Hard Reset YouTube channel, guys. In this video, I will show how you can check IMEI number via application. So to start, you will need to launch the Google Play Store, if you have an iOS system, of course, App Store in your case, then to the search bar of your respective store, input the IMEI info check query, so IMEI info check, here it is. Then find this specific app by IMEI.info developer, get it installed. Launch the app once it is installed. Now there are two ways you can check your IMEI number. You can either paste it into this field and tap at the Check IMEI button, or if you do not want to enter your IMEI number manually, you can just open the scan bar/QR option, grant the app with camera permission, then simply scan the IMEI code or IMEI number in question. So here they are. Once they are scanned, they will appear at the top of this list. Tap on it, and here you have it. From here, you can also go into the full device specification button, option, and find even more specifications and information regarding your respective smartphone, or rather regarding the IMEI number of the smartphone you have entered or scanned. So that will be it for this short and simple video. If you have any questions left, leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.